Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Running off with athletics, TVJ Sports understands that Jamaica College is awaiting the result of an appeal of a decision by the Intersecondary School Sports Association ISA to deny eligibility for two overseas-based athletes to compete at the Boys and Girls Championships. TVJ Sports has learned that the two students are Class 2 athletes Evans Tete and Dominic Amponsa from Ghana, who arrived in the island on October 4, 2023, 4 days after ISA's September 30 deadline. They were initially set to arrive in Jamaica on September 22 before encountering flight issues. According to TVJ Sports sources, Jamaica College submitted a waiver for the athletes which was denied by ISA. ISA President Keith Wellington would not offer any details when we caught up with him last Thursday.
That's not something that I'm willing and ready to comment on yet. I'm just not ready to comment on that particular situation.
And when pressed further, Wellington only said this.
Everybody who participates at champs will participate according to the rules of ISA. We have never tolerated favoritism in determining who participates in our various competitions.
When contacted on Monday, Jamaica College's acting principal Wayne Robinson declined to comment on the matter. However, our sources say that ISA only responded to the request for the waiver earlier this month, 3 months after it was initially submitted. An appeal was subsequently lodged. In 2016, Ugandan Ariamania Rogers was granted a waiver to compete at the championships for Kingston College, despite arriving on October 16.